Hi, if you are a salaried employee, this is the video for you. So, in this video, I am going to give the real essence and the golden nugget how to start investing in stocks today. This video is for beginners so that you can get the clarity about what are the stocks, what are the indices, and what are the investments in stocks you are going to be happen, and how you are going to select the stocks, and what are the actions you are going to take, and what are the exact real essence about the clarity of the indices and the stock exchanges and the investment patterns, how you are going to assess yourself to scale your finances to the next level, to scale your money to the next level. In this video, you are going to get the clarity. So, I am Madhu, passive wealth expert and founder of Wealth Expertise Hub. So, this video is give the real essence about the investment patterns and investment strategies, investment platforms where it is applicable in India, where you can see the clarity, where you can observe yourself to gain the clarity how it is happening and why it is happening, what are the repercussions is happening in a day-to-day basis. This is the real golden nuggets to you to scale your finances to the next level. Yes. So, what are the investing in stocks? Just I'll go you the clarity about basics of stock market. Why the basics is important? Because in every parameter, basics is one of the most real knowledge. So, without knowing of a roots, you never scale any finances to the next level. In the same pattern, so you want to invest in a stocks, first you need to understand the basics of the stock market. What is the basics first? So, I'll show you the clear the basics of the stock market is first you need to have a clarity about the how many stocks are into growth and how many stocks are into the dividend and how many stocks are into value added stocks. First you need to get the clarity what is growth and what is dividend and what is value added stocks. The next thing is why you need to invest in stocks. So, first you got the clarity about the basics, what is growth and all, what is dividend and all and value added stocks, but you need to have the clarity about why to invest in stocks. Because investments in stocks is one parameter you can see the real essence about long term growth potential and also high returns of selected stocks. Because when you understand about the real stocks of the companies, it will yield this much of money into my category of investments, then you see the real change in your investment patterns. So, that is why the high returns of selected stocks is one of the important factor, and also dividend income will come, wealth creation. Some individuals are there, they will only rely only on a stocks income so that they will create a much wealthier than ever before. So, and also the inflation protection. Now, every year the inflation is in and around 7 to 8% or 9% is growing. So, if you are if you are smartly invested in these parameters of the stocks, you just see the real inflation protection is also will be protected from your earnings. So, and also diversification of your stocks. Diversification of stocks is one of the important factor, because you don't keep all your money in one basket. This is one of the quote, everybody knows that. So, segregation of the stocks, segregation of the investment, segregation of the money of your hard earned money of yours is also one of the factor you need to see before investing in your stocks. And also risk distribution is also one of the benefit where you can get the clarity what all the exact risk is happening in the particular stocks and what are the liquidity. The liquidity is easily bought and sold. Whenever you want to purchase, you can purchase. Whenever you want to sell, you can sell. That much of liquidity is there, so that you can have the clarity. And what are the benefits if you are invested in stocks is it will be company owned, some portion will give to you, because when you invest in some money in any of the company, the portion of the company will be assigned to you. Like suppose you X company you have purchased of rupee 1 lakh rupee, that 1 lakh rupee shares of rupees will be allocated to you in your demat account, means you are the owner of that particular company of the some portion. That's what I would like to convey the clear essence here. That is simple thing. That's why this video is for only beginners. And also voting rights will be given to you, tax benefits and benefits and dividends, and also capital gains and losses will get to you. So, because of all these reasons, you need to invest in a stocks, because you will get the clarity about how much you are going to invest. You get the clarity about your risk distribution, you get the clarity about your diversification, you get the most important effect is essence is the benefits. So, how you are going to benefit with your value. So, only thing is whatever the money you are invested, that money how much you are getting back, that is how much percentage is getting back into your bank account, is one of the important factor every individuals will see, right? So first understood that particular parameters, then you can get the clarity. So this is one of the most important factor where you need to get the clarity in your life. And getting started with demat account, first you understood about this clear essence, no? So now you are planning to open a demat account. So why you need to open a demat account? So as a saving, your salary is crediting into your bank account, right? Salary, if you are a salaried employee, the salary is crediting into a bank account. So that is a normal savings account. And also some business persons use current accounts also. So they all business transactions will route through current account. And this is the demat account. All the trading transactions, the stocks purchase, everything will be routed through this account. So that's why demat account is one important factor. And also trading account will be, that is online platform which has been designed by a stock exchange, designed by the most of the companies where you are going to open. That is, you need to be rely on organizations like most of the Indian banks as giving the most important factor of opening of demat accounts, like an ICICI Bank, HDFC, Access, and some most grow companies there. There's a lot of companies and are offering demat accounts to you, but think about which organization you are going to take the demat account, which should be reliable to you, which should be most effective to you, which should be easily accessible to you. That is one of the important factor I would like to give the clarity to you. So think about that. So, and also understand your stock market indices. So why stock market indices is important? Because you understood why you need to invest, how you need to invest, and what are the, and where you are going to plan to open a demat account. And now I'm coming to the stock market indices. Why this is? Because there is a three things. There's a three segments. There is a Nifty and a Sensex, that is Bombay Stock Exchange, and Nifty and NSE and S&P 500. So what are these? So Nifty is generally called as Nifty 50. There is a most top 50 companies are traded, and Nifty next 50, that is mid cap stocks are traded, and Nifty mid cap 100, there is a top 100 mid sized companies are traded in the Nifty, and also Nifty small cap 100, there is a top 100 companies are traded in this particular Nifty. So if you are going to invest in an NSE, that is a Nifty, if your money is segregated upon these companies wherever you are going to purchase in the scripts of this particular indices. And also same like that Bombay Stock Exchange. The Bombay Stock Exchange is an old one which has been established so many years back, but now this is most effective parameter where you need to be most focused on. That is, Bombay Stock Exchange is 30 large cap companies. If you are invested in the BSE 30, you will see your money will never be lose at any time. So think about that before going to investment. And also BSE 100, there's a large cap companies. They are going to, if you are investing in the BSE 100, they will be traded in the top 100 companies of in India. And BSE 200 is a mid cap companies. If you are investing in those particular thing, no, this is one of the important factor. And also BSE small cap companies, there is all companies which is been there in the traded, they're in the listed in the market. It will be all traded in the BSE. Just I'm giving the context here. I'm not going to deeper about these things, so that it's a basic knowledge. This for only for beginners I'm telling to you. This is a Nifty and Business Stock Exchange, and S&P 500 is a Standard and Poor segment. There's a top 500 companies. They will be traded in a stock market index, and also stock market of 500 large publicly traded companies. S&P 500 is also one of the important indices where you need to be more focused on while going to investment. Because of these reasons, basics of stock market you need to understand, and why you are going to invest in a stock market is also one of the important factor. And also getting started with demat account with reliable company, with reliable organization which is having 81 and 82 category licenses from Reserve Bank of India, it should be there where you need to be more focused and reliable on. And also the products, how you are going to change that, how you are going to assess that. There is a lot of things is there where you need to be more focused on. That is, there is an equities, there is a derivatives, there is a mutual funds, and ETF, that is exchange traded funds, and as a currency derivatives and the commodity derivatives. In the equities, there is a shades of all listed companies will be there where you can directly invest in those particular scripts and purchase that particular steps, so that you can get the benefited. If the value will be rise, your money will rise. And also derivatives pertains to the futures and options and currency derivatives. and the ETFs is exchange traded funds, like a small penny of the month you can invest there. And also commodity derivatives like gold, silver, metals and oil, whatever the commodities it is there, you can trade through online also. So this is one of the benefits. So this is only for essence about the golden clarity to you all, if you are a beginner about the trading, so that you can get the clarity about these all parameters. So this, because of this reasons, you will get the real main essence about the investing in a stock for beginners. And how you sorry, how you are going to select for the stocks. There is a short term stocks will be there. There is a short term, there is a long term. In those short term and long term, there is a intraday and the delivery. There, intraday is a platform where you can purchase the stocks today and you need to sell that particular stocks today itself. That is intraday. And the delivery is you purchase the stocks today, and whenever your desired value has reached a particular script now, then you can, if you want to sell that, you can sell anytime. It's a long time, you can keep for 10 years, 5 years or 3 years, anytime. So think about this. When you want to invest, selecting of the stocks in a parameters of companies, what I would like to convey the clarity here is, if you want to select the stocks, first understood which company you are going to invest. Suppose example Reliance is there, the Reliance company you want to invest, who established that company of Reliance, and who are the directors are there, what is the company really means to, and what is that company is doing currently, and what is the capital gains of that particular company, and is there any legal issues are there in that particular company, and who are the directors, and what are the investment patterns of that particular company. Everything you need to be clearly assess about that company, then you can purchase that script. Otherwise, sorry to say that just one online platform somebody has recommended you to go to purchase, or your friend has recommended you to purchase, don't go that blindly. Think about that particular company. Example I am telling to you, if you want to purchase in a Colgate company, if you are purchasing in an Apple company, if you want to purchase an S&P company of top 500 S&P companies, think about the top companies, why they became a top, why they became a lower. For the last 5 years, what is the returns? For the last 1 year, what are the returns it has been happened? Think about all these parameters and assess yourself, and then start doing an investments, so that your money will grow like anything. It's not like that a satta bazaar bolte sobje, it's not like satta. Think about every parameter about the investments, what you are going to be get, and you should be eye on every parameter of investments. You should be very eye on investments on every month, so that you can scale your finances to the next level. This is one of the important factor. And what are the actions you are going to take to get the clarity? So first you need to have an associated with the elite community, those who are really have a zeal to scale the finances to the next level, really having the clarity about what is really achieve in their lives. So if you want to associate with those people, your life will be go to the next level. So I am founder of the Wealth Expertise Hub. So if you want to associate with my hub, so that you can get the clarity about your financial life, about your financial goals, and how you are going to achieve that within the known time with the awesome and with light-minded people. If you are associate, the answers will come to you. So please try to mingle to those persons who really want to scale the life to the next level. So if you are serious, I'm sharing the link in the description. Please click that link and register for my upcoming live wealth summit, so that you can see the real transformation. I'm confident this video has given the real golden nuggets about the investing patterns, about your about the stocks and the strategies what you are going to take, and what are the indices which has been happened, how we are going to select the stocks in a real way, and what are the actions you are going to take. So please share this video to your friends and well-wishers, so that they will get the benefit, and also you start implement these strategies and the actions and the golden nuggets what I shared in this video, so that you will get the benefit from today itself. Don't forget, share this video to your friends, and also like and subscribe this video. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Let's see in the next video with valuable content to you, so that you get the clarity about the finances. Thank you. Have a nice day.